Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, another episode with Cook with Edna, and today I have a very interesting recipe to share with you guys, garlic potatoes. So karibuni sana and let's enjoy making this recipe together. So the potatoes are ready, they are here, though they are a little bit broken, but it's okay. I'm going now to put in my garlic and the oil. Going to put in some garlic, the oil, then after that now, I want to remove this garlic again. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Let me look for a strainer. Give me some few seconds. I remove the garlic and then now we will cook the that's enough. Let me see the first one that I had put here. This one is done. I'm going to fry it. You can choose to deep fry if you don't want to pan fry. I do want a lot of work, so this one. Is it a lot of work really? No, I've just chosen to use the pan, but either way works. Miriam, pasta, sim. So I'm going to turn the veggies. What do you call them? The potatoes. Why am I using a spoon anyways? I'm going to turn this to cook the other side. That's Marianne laughing. So I'm going to let that for a few minutes. Remember, our oil is infused with garlic. And remember, we also boiled our potatoes with rosemary. And then after that, I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit of salt, because they have salt already, just a little bit. And then you can garnish that with coriander, fresh coriander. So this is how I'm going to finish up the other batch. I'm going to let this cook a little bit and get some good, nice brown color. And it's going to make it a little bit crispy. So I'll see you at the end of this video. So you see how they're beginning to get a nice brown color. So maybe I don't fall. So I'm going to remove this because I know they are done. And then make sure you use a paper towel so that they can drain excess oil before you serve them. So this batch is done. Let me continue with the rest of the batch, and then this is the outcome of garlic potatoes. See how beautiful they've turned to be. Wow, this is so nice. I've already tasted and it's super yummy. Wow, this is so nice. The other batch is here. Let me show you. The other batch is here cooking. Well, let me show you one more time. Wow, it's so beautiful. Oh, so this is the final product of our potatoes. You can garnish this with some garlic. Not garlic. What do we call this? Parsley. Not parsley, fresh coriander. Well, you can garnish this with some coriander leaves. And then you can take this with chicken, sausage, steak. But just like that, so long as you have some sauce, you can take this, garnish that with some coriander, generous amount of coriander, just like that. Generous amount of coriander, and you are good to go. Yeah. So you see, a very crispy. Let me try this one. You see how crispy they are. It's yummy. It has the rosemary and the garlic flavor. And then I didn't even add salt because the salt that I used to boil, it's just enough. So I've just added some coriander leaves for the garnish. And hope you guys have enjoyed my videos. Kindly share, like, subscribe, and try this recipe. Tag me along, and I'll see you some other day. Bye bye.